120. 130. Oh, brother, what time is it? Still. What the hell noise is that?
I respect it, Nick.
Yeah.
I can't do anything.
We took the shovel with you too.
Yeah.
It's so, that was so weird, dude. You had the mask on, but you were.
Was that really? Do you think it just scares the mimics away?
Nick?
I don't know. I think it just focuses
Forgot
whoever's
he's
closest.
muffled, so I can't hear him.
Oh, they think you're
What's he
muffled.
doing?
Because I can't even look down and grab
Logan can't
things.
move, Logan
Oh,
can't
it's
move.
showing that you're spinning on the thing, though. Oh, let me try something.
Bro. They think it's me.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
What just happened?
But he just goes.
Oh.
No.
Uh,
What the fuck?